Here's the app. It's called Openpath Mobile Access. So just tap to get and then double click to install, and then you'll just be able to install it. So this app is kind of one of the alternatives to Ring app, which is like, one of the market leaders. But yeah, here you can, with this app, you can quickly and securely unlock a door connected to the Openpath Access control system with your smartphone. The easy-to-use mobile app finds nearby Openpath connected readers and lets you unlock the door with a single way or tap. It's make easy to unlock the door your way, touchless wave to unlock, wave your hand or phone in front of the reader to unlock the door, mobile badge, save your frequently used entries for quick access, activity log, your access history right in the app, easily switch between Openpath connected organizations, which you login out. You can also have like digital guest pass, remote features, and all those like additional perks. So yeah, just go to this app and then you need to sign in with your email. I'm not sure if you probably need to create, of course, your account first on the browser, on desktop, just depending on your organization. Either you're using it at work or at home, and then you can just use your mobile to easily sign in. And yeah, instead of using, just like badges, which to open the doors, you can just use your phone. So yeah, that's basically it.